You're here to give me. You're here to give. Oh, Mr. Goat. You want to take me on, do you? You fell over, Goof. Fell over, Mr. Goof. Hi. I missed you too, probably. Panting. All right, buddy. Let me get you some water and hay. Yeah, I'm gonna refill that for your water. Yep, hang on, I'll be back. Okay, now where did he go? It's only another day, Dirty. Enjoy. Where did he go now? Yeeps. What up, little one? Here comes your brother. Hey, Mr. Goat. I'll be back. I gotta go turn off the water. All right, Mr. Goat. Let's see if Matilda will wait for us. Escort me back. Come on, I'm carrying your hay. Get out of my way. Yeah, show me the way, mister. Ooh, big show off goat. Ooh.